Welcome back from an ad break. We will continue with our application questions under the topic ways in which a business can use creative thinking to solve business problems. Right, so here it says state whether the following statements represent decision making or problem solving. So in order for you to be able to understand, you need to know the differences between decision making and problem solving, because you need to state that this is either decision making or problem solving. Right, let's start. The first question says, innovative solutions are generated. That is number one. Generated, implemented, and evaluated. Solutions, not just solutions, innovative solutions are generated, implemented. Remember, to implement is to put into action. We come up with the solutions, we put them into action, and then we evaluate them by looking at their pros and the cons, or the advantages and the disadvantages. Right, I'm going to go through all these statements while we're thinking, then we go back and come up with the answers. So you need to state whether this is a decision making or it's a problem solving. Right. Secondly, it is often done by one person or senior management. Is it decision making or it's problem solving that is often done by one person or senior management? Right. C, existing alternatives are considered and choosing a best solution to a problem. Lastly, carried out by a group of people. So you have your keywords there. All you now need to do is to state whether it is a decision making or a problem solving. Right, we're going to go back to the first one. Innovative solutions are generated, implemented, and evaluated. So what is that? Correct? You thought correctly. That is our problem solving. That is the answer. Problem solving. That's good. Right. B says it is often done by one person. So that is our keyword, or senior management. So senior management, right. This we can speak of a person that is in power or in authority. So we're looking at the person that has got authority. That is what we mean by senior management. So who can do that, or what is it? Is it decision making or problem solving? That's correct. So this is what it is: decision making. So the keyword was often done by one person. It's done by one person, and that person, it's an authority or has power, senior management. Right. The third one says existing alternatives are considered and choosing a best solution to a problem. So we're looking at what? Alternatives, and then we choose a best. So what happens here? There's a choosing that needs, or choosing that needs to happen. What is that? Correct. So the answer again is what? We're looking at decision making. We're almost done. Right, the last one said it's carried out by a group of people. If you remember the differences, we said with decision making, it is done by one person, but with problem solving, it's done by a group of people. It's a problem that needs to be solved and looked at from all angles. So this one is what? It's problem solving. Right, well done if you got all of this correct. Right, I hope now you understand, at least you've got an idea, so you'll be able to answer our next question. Right, our next question says, distinguish between decision making and problem solving. Right, we're looking at the differences basically between what? Between decision making and problem solving. So if you're able to answer the question that we just finished now, then this should be fairly easy for you. Right, what is the difference between decision making and problem solving? Right, decision making, it is often done by one person or senior management. Don't forget, authority, power, one person who's doing what? You are making a decision. Whereas with problem solving, carried out by a group of people. You cannot solve a problem by yourself, but according to this, it is carried out by a group of people. Right, existing alternatives are considered and choosing a best solution to a problem. Whereas with problem solving, it encourages creative thinking since it aims at finding a new solution to a problem. Lastly, it does not form part of the problem solving since decisions needs to be taken for each step of the business, but yet with problem solving, innovative solutions are generated, they are implemented and evaluated. Right, I hope it answers your question. I hope now you are clear as to the differences between decision making and problem solving. Right, so we've answered all our application questions. So now we're going to go on to a break. When we come back, we just do a quick recap and we wrap up everything that we've done for today. I'll see you after the break.